Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Prashant and today we are going to see how you can create and use label in SwiftUI. So it is recently introduced in iOS 14. Earlier it was not part of SwiftUI. So we are going to see that. And if you want to know more about me, so you can switch to my this YouTube channel where you can see more information about me, or you can go to this Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, Twitter or GitHub page to know more about me. So let's get started without wasting much of time. So today we are going to create a UI like this where we are going to show a label, and that label is having one image or you can say any shape with it. So let's see how we can create this. So let's open Xcode beta first. So make sure you have Xcode beta 12 for this, and we will name our project as label demo. Okay, so now our project is created. Let me click resume and see if everything is working fine. Okay, so build is succeeded. We can start. So to create a label, you can directly use this label here and directly give your text inside this. So you can see it is expecting title, icon, title, system image, or only title also you can give. So let me first give only title, or you can directly give inside the two strings like this, and I will say that my label title. Let me click here once, or I can just say here instead of this I will say username, and here you can give system image, and now let's pass the empty string here. So system image, you can give any image, like currently you can see your label is displaying here, but if you want to give any image like person image, you can directly give that. Now currently you can see it's having some problem with the alignments because the Xcode is in beta, so there is some bug. But instead this, what we can do is I can give the font so that it will be little bit larger and it will be easy to see. So this is how you can create a simple label and use in SwiftUI. So what I will do is I will show you one more way of creating this. So what you have to do is you have to just remove this, open the brackets like this, and inside this you can pass what you want to name your label. So inside the text I will say username. Okay, and again here you can give one more parameter which is icon like this. Okay, now warning will go, and now you can see it's showing username, but let's make it the way we have seen at the start of our video. So let me give some modifiers on this, like foreground color, it will be blue. Then we can give some font. Okay, this will be good. Then we can give background, and background we have to pass the color, so I will pass black. Okay, let me just, okay, color dot black, and black will be very dark, so what I will do is I will pass, oh sorry, I'm writing at the wrong place here, color dot black dot, let me reduce the opacity, and we can give something like 0.5 or 0.2 will be good. Yes, so this is our background, and I can also give some different shape for that background, which you can see here, that gray. You can give some shape. So to give shape, what you can use is clip shape, and here instead of circle I can use capsule. Yes, so this will look much better. Okay, so you can see it is coming around, but you can see that it is cutting to the edges, so we need to add some padding so that it will add some spacing on our label. Okay, so here you can see that my actual label is this much of big, but my background color and username is not coming to that far, because it is very important that in what order you write your modifiers. So let me move this up so that it will add the padding first and then it will add the background color. Okay, now it is looking good. So now this is normal label. I want to give some image or shape also here. So you have two options. You can give image also like this, using the system image and just pass this person name. So if you don't know from where I'm writing this person, so just you need to install one software which is called San Francisco, and inside this SF labels you will get so many icons free, so you can use this directly inside Xcode because those are already available. So you can see there are around 1600 images or icons you can say. So inside this, like if the weather, and inside this if I use cloud, or I can use anything like cloud.moon, so I can use them directly. So let me type cloud here. You can see cloud image is coming, but this image is actually very small, so let me just increase the font of this, and you can see it's increasing. So image we have already seen, so let's see how you can use shape here. So you can use circle shape here like this, but this is coming to be too big, so let me add some frame to it, and let's use something like 50-50. Yeah, this is better. So this is how you can add image. Let me add some color also to make it little bit better, blue. So yeah, that's what we have seen at the start of our video. So guys, this is how you can create a label in SwiftUI and use it for your like login page or something like that. So hopefully you guys have liked this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.